Hello everyone. Today you will check your present simple and progressive tense knowledge. Then I will tell you two stories in the present tense. In the comment section, you can write the present simple and progressive tense sentences from those stories. So let's start. Let's check your knowledge first. Choose the best answer. Question is, what are tenses used to talk about? A. Different languages. B. Different countries. C. Different times. And D. Different people. The correct answer is C. Different times. Give yourself 1 mark if you got it right. Second question is, what are the two basic ways to speak about the present in English? A. Present simple and past continuous. B. Present continuous and future simple. C. Present simple and present continuous. D. Past simple and future continuous. The correct answer is C. Present simple and present continuous. Question number 3. What is the difference between I work and I'm working? A. I work refers to something happening now, while I'm working refers to something true in general. B. I work refers to something true in general, while I'm working refers to something happening now. C. I work refers to something temporary, while I'm working refers to something permanent. D. I work refers to something permanent, while I'm working refers to something temporary. The correct answer is B. I work refers to something true in general, while I'm working refers to something happening now. Give yourself a mark if you got it right. Question number 4. When do we use the present simple tense? A. For something happening now. B. For something temporary. C. For something true in general. D. For something permanent. The correct answer is C. For something true in general. Question number 5. Which of the following is an example of using the present simple tense? A. I'm teaching. B. You're listening. C. I work at the bank. And D. I'm working right now. The correct answer is C. I work at the bank. Give yourself 1 mark if you got it right. Question number 6. What does permanent mean? A. Lasting all the time. B. Changing every day. C. Happening right now. D. True in general. The correct answer is A. Lasting all the time. Question number 7. What is the difference between present simple and present continuous? A. Present simple is for something happening now, while present continuous is for something true in general. B. Present simple is for something true in general, while present continuous is for something happening now. C. Present simple is for something temporary, while present continuous is for something permanent. D. Present simple is for something permanent, while present continuous is for something temporary. The correct answer is B. Present simple is for something true in general, while present continuous is for something happening now. Question number 8. What are tenses used to talk about? A. Time. B. Grammar rules. C. Vocabulary. And D. Pronunciation. The correct answer is A. Time. Give yourself 1 mark if you got it right. Let me know in the comment section how many marks you got out of 8. Now I will tell you a story using present tense. In the comment section, write the present simple and progressive tense sentences from this story. Meet Sarah. She works in an office. She wakes up early every morning, eats breakfast, and goes to work. Today, she's typing on her computer. The sun is shining outside, and Sarah is feeling good. During lunchtime, Sarah and her friend Tom are chatting in the break room. They talk about movies and favorite foods. Sarah likes pizza and Tom enjoys burgers. They laugh together. In the afternoon, Sarah is answering emails and is helping her colleague, Mark. The office is buzzing with activity. Sarah finishes her work and feels satisfied. After work, Sarah is going to the gym. She enjoys exercising. Today, she is doing yoga. It helps her relax. In the evening, Sarah is cooking dinner. She makes spaghetti with tomato sauce. The aroma fills the kitchen. She eats and watches her favorite TV show. Before bedtime, Sarah is reading a book. It is a mystery novel. She likes stories that keep her guessing. Finally, she turns off the light and goes to sleep. Now I will tell you another story using present tense. Please write present simple and progressive tense sentences from this story. Once upon a time, in a small town, there is a park. Every Saturday, families and friends gather there to spend time together. On this particular Saturday, the sun is shining brightly and children are playing on the swings. The birds are singing and the air is filled with laughter. John, a young boy, usually spends his weekends in the park with his friends. As John arrives at the park, he notices his friends playing soccer. He joins them and they have great time kicking the ball around. The sun is still shining and everyone is having fun. Later, as they take a break, John sees his sister, Mary, sitting on a bench and reading a book. She loves spending quiet times in the park, enjoying the fresh air and the sounds of nature. While Mary is reading, their parents are having a picnic nearby. They're spreading a blanket on the grass and unpacking sandwiches, fruits, and snacks. The smell of delicious food fills the air, making everyone's stomach rumble with hunger. After the picnic, the children decide to explore the park. They discover a beautiful flower garden and spend time admiring the colorful blossoms. Some butterflies flutter around, adding to the beauty of the scene. As the day progresses, the sun starts to set. The sky is painted with shades of pink and orange. The families start packing up and the children gather their belongings. With smiles on their faces, John and his friends leave this park, waving goodbye to a wonderful day. They look forward to coming back next Saturday for more fun and laughter in their favorite place. And so the sun sets on another day at the park, leaving behind happy memories and the promise of more joyful moments to come. I hope you enjoyed the stories and got a good mark in the test. Please leave your feedback in the comment section and I'll see you again. Bye bye.